Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application. From here, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then select Manage SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on it, and by default they should all be selected as long as none of those already exist in the default location where the device is going to import them, which it selects by default Google account if there is one signed in. If there isn't one, it's going to default to the device itself. So you can select whichever one you want yourself as well. Assuming you have also multiple accounts, you can choose from them, then simply click on import. It also asks us the stupidest question if we want to remove these contacts from a SIM card. I wouldn't recommend it, as those contacts don't get in your way, so they're on your SIM card as a safe backup, so I would recommend just keeping them. Now, how many times do I need to select don't sync? So from here we're going to select contacts, and now you can choose where you want to display the contacts from by clicking right here, and it gives you all the options. So we have Google account, device, and also SIM card. So there we go. Now if you're wondering what the benefit of importing contacts to your, for instance, device is over keeping them on a SIM card, that info would be in here. When you go to edit a contact, you have way more options in here. You can add pictures to your contacts. You can add labels and all that stuff, plus additional notes and information, while the contacts that are located on the SIM card won't be able to have that done to them. As you can see, there we go. It's just a contact along with the number. And that's it. Now, anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.